Right, so as we were looking at Alligator Pie last time, we were figuring out first off, how many beats there were in the song. So let's see. We had If I Don't Get Some, I Think I'm Gonna Cry. So how many beats was that? That was one, two, three, four. So I have my four beats right here. One, two, three, four. And then I ask you how many sounds were on beat four here. So if I go through, I go, if I don't get some, I think I'm gonna cry. Loo 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 loo. Ah, loo 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 loo. On this one, I had one word. What was that word? If I don't get some, I think I'm gonna. Oh, it was cry. So right there is my word cry. So I have how many syllables there? I had one syllable. So I'm going to move this one up here. So there's that one. Then I ask you, how many sounds were on beat three? So let's see. If I don't get some, I think I'm gonna cry. What words were on beat three? If I don't get some, I think I'm gonna cry. Did you figure it out? Did you say, think I'm gonna? If we clap those syllables, we have think I'm gonna. Gonna has two syllables. So I think had one, I'm has one, gonna had two. So one, and two would make four. I need four short sounds there because I won't fit four of this middle one. Only fit two. So I've got to do four of these little ones here. Say one, two, three, four. There's my four sounds. And I have four syllables there. Now, I ask you, how many sounds were on beat one then? Let's see. If I don't get some, I think I'm gonna cry. Hmm. Loo 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 loo. So if I concentrate really hard on this one, I can figure out what words are there, I bet. Let's see. If I don't get, oh, get happened where? On beat one or on beat two? Beat two. So get has to be on beat two. So anything before get had to be beat one. Let's see. If I don't get, what words were on that one? What words were on beat one? You said, if I don't, then you're correct. So how many syllables is that? How many sounds is on that beat? If I don't. If I don't. So there were three syllables. Okay, so if I don't has three syllables. Are they even or uneven? If it's even, it would be like this. If I don't, if I don't, if I don't, if I don't. That's everything being done evenly. If I don't, if I don't, if I don't. If they're uneven, that means that there's a combination of longs and shorts. So I might go, if I don't. I might go, if I don't. I might go, if I don't. So I need to figure out if it's even or uneven. Do they sound like they're even throughout? Or are there some longs and shorts in there? What do you think? If I don't. Hmm. I think that there might be some uneven sounds in there. It doesn't sound like it's even to me. So if it's uneven, am I going to start with the shorts or start with the long, I wonder? If I don't, if I don't, if I don't. I think that this first one sounds like it's shorter. If I don't. Is the second one long or short? If I don't. Long didn't sound good. If I. Well, I think that sounds okay. If I don't. I think that one's a long. So then I would have this. If I don't. Then if we have if I don't and then think I'm gonna cry, what's left here? Get some I. So I have to have these three words there. Get some I. So how many syllables is that? Get some I. Get some I. That was 3 syllables. Is it even or uneven? Get some I. Get some I. That'd be even. Does that sound right? Uneven? Get some I. If I don't get some, I think I'm gonna cry. That'd be doing it uneven. Is that what we did? Yes, it's gonna be uneven again. So where are my long and short sounds? Get some I. Get some I. Get some I. Where's that long sound at? And remember that I can't use this one here because it would take up the entire beat. I wouldn't have any room for any longs or shorts. Just have one long. So I can't put that. And remember that this one here would be even and it would only be able to make 2 sounds. So I can't have those either. I could have one of these and 2 of these somewhere else though. But I have to have 3 sounds, so I have to use a combination of the green and yellow. So get some I. So if I was describing this a different way, maybe I'd say, where does it go slow and where does it go fast to the words? Let's see. Get some I. Get some I. So where is that slow sound? Is it at the beginning or at the end or in the middle? I think it's at the beginning. And then, since I have to have 3 sounds, these last 2 must be shorts. So it would look like this. If I don't get some, I think I'm gonna cry. And that would be what I was looking for, kind of your thinking. I went ahead and wrote it out so that you could see and understand and remember everything. But this is what your head should have been thinking last time. How many beats did we have? 4. How many sounds were on beat 4? We had 1. Then we had to figure out what words or how many loos were here. And we decided on 4 here. And then we had to figure out these 2. And really, these are reverses of each other. So if I don't get some, I think I'm gonna cry. So I hope that helps explain alligator pie from last time. We're going to work more on that next time.